Falcon 52 Bravo double. Seagull approach, Green East Cayman 569, descending 110, information Mike. Charlie 569, leave me route to go Cray and descend level 110. Heading Cray level 110, Cayman 569.
Affirmatif, oui, on a un trafic devant nous, un petit peu. Oui, parce que j'ai l'impression qu'il touche un peu sur les vitesses. Hein. Ça nous touche 62 gros porteurs, donc si vous faites perdre, c'est pas 15 nœuds. Restez nous prenons 200 d'air, 32, 61.
Falcon 52 Bravo, la vitesse 222, contactez le radar 118 décimal 15. 222, 118, 15, 52 Bravo, 3.
Air France 743 East, signal departure, roger, current altimeter 3024. Air France 743 East, turn right, heading 170, proceed on course, climb and maintain Steiner Hub. Turn right, heading 170, proceed on course, climb and maintain Steiner Hub. Air France 743 East.
Air France 923, prévoyez Air France 9 to be expect landing 27, I confirm 27. 27, FM 94.
Air France 1440, this climbing to 1,200 for Steiner South. Air France 1440, signal departure, roger, current altimeter 3024. Air France 1440, turn left, heading 020, resume on navigation, climb and maintain Steiner South. Air France 743 East, traffic is 4 o'clock, 3 miles at 900, Airbus A319, 475. Air France 743 East, traffic in sight. Air France 1440, turn left, heading 350, climb and maintain Steiner South. Turn left, heading 350, climb and maintain Steiner South. Air France 1440, Air France 743 East, contact Devereaux approach on 123.3. Going to 123.3, Air France 743 East.
Air France 906, turn left heading 265, climb maintain 4000.
Left turn to heading 265, climbing to 5000. Air France 969.
Current altimeter 3024.
Air France 969, request 3000.
Air France 906, sorry, unable at this time.
Turn right heading 115.
Towered Air France 969. On final.
Air France 969, clear to land runway 08 right, float at 160, QNH 1024.
Clear to land runway 08 right, reducing the final approach speed. Air France 969.
Whiskey Delta, cleared for takeoff 27, 200 degrees, 9 knots. Clear takeoff 27, Whiskey Delta.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing, please.
1232, we have the traffic on final 27 inside.
LM 1232 behind the traffic, line up runway 27 and be ready behind.
LM 1232, line for wait on the traffic, final behind.
Maintain 180 knots.
Equation is 180, 12905.
Air France, 9er, float at 140.
Speed 140, Air France, 9er.
943, line up in sequence, runway 27.
United 943 Heavy, line up in sequence 27.
Air France 1423, autorise atterrissage piste 27, 200 degrés, 9 nœuds.
On atterrit piste 27, Air France 1423.
Passer l'automarque Air France Golf Yankee.
Oui, reçu, je vous rappelle d'ici quelques secondes. Est-ce que vous me recevez? Apparemment, il y a une émission permanente. Air France Golf Yankee, autorise atterrissage piste 27, 200 degrés, 10 nœuds.
Et encore un bruit de fond, vous pouvez répéter ça.
Oui, Air France Golf Yankee, autorise atterrissage piste 27, 200 degrés, 10 nœuds.
Sur l'atterrissage piste 27, Air France Golf Yankee.
Air France, 9er, gate is left. Contact ground on 118.1.
118.1, Air France, 9er.
Ouais, pardon, stop Fox 7.
France 2000 avec le sol 121.8, bon vol.
21.8, bonne soirée.
Air France Alpha Papa, roulez stop Fox 7.
On roule stop Fox 7, Air France Alpha Papa.
TCAS test. Pass.
Ground Air France, 9er. Is clear of the runway, request taxi to parking.
Air France 906, taxi via Sierra Romeo Papa 2 to Terminal 1 Gate East 24.
By Air Romeo Papa 2 to Terminal 1 Gate East 24, Air France, 9er.
Indication and it's safe to get up and move about the cabin. We also ask that you keep the eyes clear of any command baggage. The termination of our flight this morning, so we ask that you check seatbelt pockets, blankets, and overhead bins for the articles may have brought with you. Extra care should be taken in opening the overhead bins as heavy articles may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of your entire box, it's been our pleasure serving you this morning. Have a pleasant day.
Air France 1168.
Alitalia 325, can we change the ground for the pushback?